So here we want to use the given graph of f to sketch the graph of f inverse. So let's just label our points on our grid here. We have 0, 1, this is 2, and then this is 3. This is -1, -2, and then here's 4. And then 0, we got -1 here, -2. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Now let's label our points. So here is one point, here is the second point, here is the third point, and here's the fourth point. So we can see that that first point is going to be -1, -2. The second point is going to be +1, -1. Our third point is going to be 2, 2. And our fourth point is going to be 3 and then 3. So when we look at the function f, these are our ordered pairs. -1, -2, +1, -1, 2, and then 2, and then 3, and then 3. So now we want to be able to graph f inverse. Now when we graph f inverse, we need to flip the ordered pairs. So over here, again, here is the graph of f, and this is going to be the graph of f inverse. Okay, so far that this one in red is going to be the function f. Okay, so now let's go ahead and label our axis again. So we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have -1, and then we have -2. Here we have -1, -2, and then 2, 3, and then 4. So with f inverse, we just need to flip the ordered pairs. So we have now -2, -1, and then we have -1, and then +1. And then 2 and 2 remain the same. And then 3 and 3 remain the same because they're both the same value. So let's go ahead and plot those points. So -2, -1 is right there. So there is -2, -1. Then we have -1, +1. So here's -1, +1. And then we have 2 and then 2. And then we have 3 and then 3. So now let's connect those points. So here we have that connection, and then from here and then there. So that represents our f inverse function.